Good morning all of you. Come to our class. In today's class, we are going to see our action. The grammar part which we are going to take in the voice of the examples there. So use of the passive voice when we have used in the passive voice when the sentences are being started. The doer of the action is unknown or relevant or implied there. So we have seen with the examples of the passive voice when the action of the doer is unknown and that is irrelevant and implied there. So for that we have seen few examples. The Indian team for the World Cup has been announced when we doesn't know the time itself. Many countries were affected by the malware that has been again given. Many countries were affected by the malware. The thief has been arrested. The thief has been arrested. When he was arrested also we do not even know. The action or the receiver of the action is more important. So the action or the receiver of the action is more important than the doer there. At that when you do not wish to emphasize the subject of the sentence, you can say that the tour will be conducted by the sports department. So when the action of the receiver is more important, so you can see here the action of the receiver is important. You can see there. So what you can see, the action of the receiver is more important than the doer. Then you can see that how the sentences are being taken there. Then that emphasize the doer of the subject there. So what is the subject that you are going to take, and he should have to be given the prior example. The priority is given to the sentences which are being given to the subject of the sentences. So the action of the receiver is the person who is taking the in charge of the doer. He should not wish to emphasize of the sentence there. At that time you can see the tour will be, for example of these, the tour will be conducted by the sports department. So here you see the sports department. The tour will be conducted by the sports department. She always gets praised. She always gets praised by the teacher. By the teachers there. Then you can say again, smoking is prohibited. Smoking is prohibited. So you see what is the here, the action, the receiver and the doer of the percent of the subject is not emphasizing. So it is not wish to emphasize. When you do not wish. When you do not wish the subject that will be taken by the in charge. When the action is the action or the receiver is more important, so you should have to be taken into the sentence of the example. The tour will be conducted by the sports department. She always gets praised by the teacher. She always gets praised by the teacher, and smoking is prohibited. You can see the sentences, and you will be always having the subject of the receiver of the action is more important than a doer. So then doer you should have to take in the receiving part, and you can use and analyzing the sentences of these The tour will be conducted by the sports department. She always gets praised by the teachers, and the smoking is prohibited. So you can see these three examples, and you can see the action or the receiver of the action is of the subject is important there. Then you can come to these if you want to make the sentences still softer and hostile. So that may be the simple and these hostile there. So at that sentences you can see hostile. So at that time you can give the request. The bill has the bill or this bill, you can say this bill has not been paid, So second one you can see which is softer than, which is softer than. So what is that? That the bill, you have not paid this bill. So for that one, you have not paid this bill. So what are these again? Which is softer than? That one you can see here. This sentence you are having, making it into the passive voice, and this can be taken into the consideration of active voice. You have not paid this bill. The bill has not been paid. So if you want to make the sentences in a soft way, this is the procedure of the examples that you should have to take with the examples of the softer and less form of the speech there. And then when you take the avoid of the taking of the sentences with the blame. So blame, if you are going to have the sentences are to avoid the sentences, taking the blame. So then how the sentences will be? A mistake was made. A mistake was made. So that is the example of that one. Instead of that one you give, instead of that one itself you can take these. A mistake was made, or we made a mistake. We made a mistake. So here you can see a mistake was made. This can be taken into the passive voice, and we made this as the active voice there. So that also you can use if you want to avoid or blame few sentences. A mistake was made. Instead of that one you are going to make that as we made a mistake. So these are the examples when you are going to have to change in the having of these hostile, software, blaming, and the action of the doer is more important when you do not wish to emphasize the subject of the sentence there. So these are the few examples when you are going to use of these things that are to be taken in according to the passive voice, generally used when it is going to be taken with the when there. To change active voice into passive voice, again the sentences may be given. You can give with again few more examples that Americans use informal English. You can see Americans use informal English. So you can better understand with the subject. So Americans use informal English. This is again with the active voice, you can see. And what are the subject and the object and the verbs, you can see. Americans stately stated as your subject, and use can be taken as your verb, and you can use informal English as the objective there. So you see with these examples, Americans use informal English in the active voice sentence. Informal English, this you can be considered into as a passive voice. Informal English is used, so is used by Americans there. You can better see here in the active voice of these Americans use informal English, where you are going to see the subject Americans as the subject, verb is used, informal English is our objective. So this informal English becomes your subject, used it becomes your verb, and this by can be taken as the phrasing, and this can be taken as your object. This is objective and this is a phrase, preposition by, and you can see this subject is used as like this. The subject and the verb, by is of our preposition. Then you can see this as objective is given by the Americans there. So these are again the changing of the sentences from this active voice through passive voice. Make the object, so you make the object, see that comes here, subject comes and object goes there, and this object when it comes in the subject firstly in the passive sentence. So make the object of the active sentence with the object of the passive sentence. Replace the active verb with the matching of one. Use the preposition by the agent there, and by is the preposition for these. So Americans use informal English, and informal English is used by Americans. So that is your passive voice, and above example is as your active voice there. So now you can see few examples of the sentences where the lying of the examples can be taken into your the changing of the voices with the passive voice. So we shall give with 3 or 4 examples so that you can have your exhibiting of exercises there. First one is Hari ate 6 puris at dinner. So Ari ate 6 puris at dinner. So that you can call this as the active voice. And when you are going to take, when you are going to come with the passive voice, you can give taken as 6 puris were eaten by this Hari, by Hari at dinner. You can use the same as it is again. So these 6 puris were eaten by Hari at dinner. So that is the sentence you can see. My friend has completed. My friend has completed the work. My friend has completed the work. So you can see here, my friend has completed the work there. So then for that you can see the work has been completed by my friend. So the work has been completed by my friend, you can say. See here the example. My friend has completed the work. You can see by the changing of the examples that the work has been completed by my friend there. So these are the 4 sentences. Again you can have the changing of these things. You can see there how they have been changed in these, and it has been given with the box of the subject there. So in this way you can have your examples of 2 more examples by the seeing of these, understanding of the voice there. So for this you can see again, Sunita changed the bed sheet. Then for that one, the bed sheet was changed by Sunita. So the bed sheet was changed by Sunita. So you can have the again differentiation of this active voice and this passive voice. See the sentence again. Sunita changed the bed sheet. Sunita changed the bed sheet, and the bed sheet was changed by Sunita there. Then you can take again 5th one. One more example. Sarah ran the hurdle race in record time. So you can see here, Sarah ran the hurdle. Sarah ran the hurdle race in record time. So see here, Sarah ran the hurdle race in record time. The hurdle race was run by Sarah in record time. So that is the sentence again you can have to see there. So again you can see here some words that are being changed there. So Sunita changed the bed sheet, and the bed sheet was changed by Sunita. Sarah ran the hurdle race in record time. The hurdle race was run by Sarah in record time. So for that you can see that few more 2 examples for these. You can use up these examples by having and the changing of the following sentences there. So for that one, my mom painted the picture. My mom painted the picture. My mom painted the picture. My mom painted the picture in one day. In one day. So that can be taken as the picture was painted by mom. The picture was painted by mom. The picture was painted by mom in one day. So